Nothing like using a 60-year-old tool to work on a 40-year-old boat. These Hobiecat hulls cleaned up real nice. I couldn't be happier with that. Also picked up a new outboard. It's a Honda 2.3. Air cooled. It doesn't pull water up into it, so if I go to the bow of the boat to change out the sail or raise and lower sails, I can not worry about it popping out of the water. I scavenged this old hammock. I think I'll use it for a trampoline. I'll have to cut all these and then I'll rip this down the middle. That way I can reuse this piece. I'll double it in length this way. I'll skip every hole so that this stretches and doubles. I think I'll run a notch. These are the two side pieces I made that hold this rectangle together. It's really overkill, but so that it comes apart. It's got little holes that I can bolt it all together with. I moved the tiller bar back behind the motor. Is one coat of thinned out half primer, half paint, and one thick coat of polyurethane. It's lighter, and the polyurethane only needs one coat. The mast I made for the original Lucky Pigeon trimaran. It's held up really well. It's two pieces laminated together, 12 feet long. And this is a boom. I think this is from the 1950s because it's got some what looks like brass or bronze fittings. So I got that when I bought a sail a while ago. And the gaff is a curtain rod, but it seems to be real strong and light. It's also pretty old. And the jib is from the DIY roller furling Snark sailboat. It has a good shape to it. And the boom, it's got the PVC gooseneck, should be okay. And of course the infamous tarp sail. You know, these sails, people might laugh and say they suck, but really the idea is to get a sail shape I like and make a better one later based on that sail. So it is temporary, but they seem to last pretty long, so I just keep using them. Oh man, this thing looks pretty bad, but it's actually, I think it's trustworthy. I've got a big loop in there. The loop absorbs everything, basically. I've got the two shrouds that go off to either side, and then I've got the forestay right here. So everything is real tight. I've decided to add some deck plates. We're going way back. It's got a little bit of rust, but not bad. I added a single reef in the sail so I can reduce the sail area. This contraption allows me to ratchet the boat onto the trailer, and it'll pull it up as it goes backwards. I just don't want to keep buying expensive boat parts. That's locked, so if I pull on it, it doesn't move, but if I have it in the down position, It freely moves. Got a reef in the sail, left sail area. Motor seems to be mounted properly. I got the rudders on there. Let's try it out. We are moving along really nice. The motor's down still, but we are just cruising. Everything clears, but not by much. There's the main sheet. Kind of rubs against the motor a little bit. I had to move everything back because the motor, I have the main sheet goes up and then it goes down and then it's got a traveler in the back, but it seems to work. I'm actually sailing against the current and making progress.